Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm making homemade frozen parathas, which are very useful during Ramadan. First of all, I'm taking 1 kg plain flour. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Now I'm adding 3 teaspoon oil and mixing. Now I'm gradually adding water and kneading well. Now the dough is ready. I'm applying oil and covering it with a cloth. And leaving it to rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. As the dough is set now, I'm spreading some flour on my prep table. Now I'm taking some dough and making it into a ball. Now I'm flattening it, making sure to flatten it as thin as I can. Now I'm applying melted butter and plain flour and folding the top half. Then I'm going to apply butter and plain flour and folding the other half. Now I'm applying plain flour and butter and folding it once again. Now I'm adding butter and plain flour at the top and twisting it, making it into a ball shape. I'm adding plain flour and butter in each fold to make glaze in the paratha. Now I'm making all the parathas using the same method. These parathas are very useful for me as I don't like to make so much rotis. These are very easy to make once frozen and my kids love them too. As all the dough balls are ready now, I'm going to take one and flatten it. Here I'm making sure not to roll so hard so that the layers don't mix up. Now it's flattened. I'm taking a plastic sheet and adding the paratha. Now I'm adding another plastic sheet on top so that the parathas don't stick together. Now I'm making all the parathas using the same method. As all the parathas are ready now, it's time to take the tawa out. Once the tawa is hot, I'm adding the paratha. Now one side has cooked, I'm turning it over and applying oil. Now I'm turning over again and adding oil to the other side. Once both sides are cooked, take it out and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.